श्रीमान् वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्किकेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे विशुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपं विज्ञानविश्राणबद्धदीक्षं दयानिधिं देहभृतां शरण्यं देवं हयग्रीवं वरवद्ये दिशन्तु मे देव सदा त्वदीयाः दयाद्रङ्गाणुराकटाक्षाः श्रोत्रेषु पुंसामृतं क्षरन्ति सरस्वतीं संसदकामधेनुं विशेषवित्पादसतेषु नाथ विदग्धगोष्ठी समराङ्गणेषु जिगीषतो मे कवितार्केन्द्रान् जहाग्रसिंहाद्रमभ्युदेयाः व्याख्यामुद्रां करसरसिजै पुस्तकं शङ्खचक्रे विद्रद्भिन्नस्फटिकरुचिरेन्द्ररीकेण शन्नः अम्लानश्रेरं दुर्गदेरं द्विप्लावयन्मा आविर्भूयादनगमयिमा मानसे वागधीशः। So, dear students, we are learning words, varieties of words now. So far you have learned 6 varieties of words. I am going to start again from 3 because already 1 and 2 revised twice. I am going to start from 3. Third slide. This is third slide about fruits. Phalani. Kadali phalani. Sorry. Kadali phalam. Amra phalam. Kadali phalam is banana. Amra phalam is mango. Madhukushmandaha is watermelon. Phanatha phalam, jackfruit. Anasa phalam, pineapple. Jambiram, lemon. Naranga phalam, orange. Seva phalam, apple. Madhu karkati, papaya. Draksha phalam, grapes. Kharjuram, dates. Sita phalam, custard apple. It's called custard apple. Dadima phalam is pomegranate. Jambu phalam, jamun fruit. Jambu dvipam. Asia is called Jambu dvipam. Okay. Jambu dvipe bharata varshe. The sankalpam goes like this. Then amrita phalam is Goa. Badri phalam. What is the badri phalam? It's a berry. That's all. So this one is over. Now we move on to vegetables. I hope all children like vegetables. So we'll see how many of you like everything. I like everything. I don't leave any vegetable. Whatever is permitted as per our family tradition. Okay. Let us see. Vartaki, tomato. Palanduhu, onion. Onion normally we don't eat. Palakaha, peas. Vrintakam. Vrintakam is brinjal. Bhindi, lady's finger. Alukam, potato. Lashunam, garlic. Kushmandam, pumpkin. Whether it is white or red, both are kushmandam. Grinjanam, carrot. Palakya, palak. Okay. Patolam, snake gourd. Narikelam, coconut. Gojihwa, cauliflower. Urvarukam is cucumber. Ardrakam is ginger. Maricham, chili. Ardrakam, maricham. Mulika, radish. Karavellam. What is karavellam? Bitter gourd. But it is good for health. It's a good friend to us, to our body. So, over. Vegetables, over. Now we move on to birds. Okay. Khagaha, birds. काकः कपोतः काकः क्रो कपोतः pigeon गृद्धः vulture गरुडः eagle शुकः parrot उलूकः what is उलूकः owl कुक्कुटः cock बकः crane how pure white sea hamsa shvetah hamsa is also bakaha sorry hamsaha is swan there is a shloka hamsa shvetah baka shvetah kubedah baka hamsayoh what's the difference between swan and the crane see both are in white nirakshira viveketu hamso hamso bako bakaha so there is a shloka in the name of baka and hamsa okay next mayurah famous for what dance beautiful dance it can dance beautifully dikaha kokilah that is cuckoo bird chatakah sparrow madhupah honeybee actually it is an insect one girl asked about that yes it's an insect but included here because we did not prepare anything for insects kadambah is duck okay that's all this is birds household items okay items what are the items available griha vastuni household items utpithika table asanam is chair any kind of chair not only this style what about another style all are asanam only where you can sit is asana chair rolling chair any kind of office chair any kind of so what about that guest chair also chair anything sofa is different okay chair next yajanam fan deepadandah tubelight sheeta petika is there everywhere in every house sheeta petika refrigerator doordarshanam television box chamasah chamaso chamasah yeah chamasah singular chamasaha plural because it is many are there chamasaha means spoons many spoons okay patram patre patrani see I have taught you ekavachanam dvivachanam bahuvachanam okay you have to apply that patram patre patrani means vessels how many vessels see there are so many 4 plates another 4 plates another small 4 plates and cups 4 cups are there and 4 tumblers are there glass so to 1 2 3 4 5 20 items are there even more than 2 is patrani only even 3 are there it is patrani only patram patre patrani how to say you all also will say patram patre patrani means plural patram is singular patre two vessels patrani many vessels chamasaha 1 singular chamasau 2 chamasaha many okay next akashawani radio nowadays radio is not there vata sheetakam means refrigerator vata sheetakam air conditioner pustaka nidhanika shelf bookshelf pustaka nidhanika means shelf pustaka nidhanika where we can keep the books this is for books kapatika cupboard kapatika means cupboard nishadya is sofa nishadya is sofa yamanika screen shayya bed upadhanam means pillow 1 minute urgent call and paste sorry Swami adiyan sure Swami Swami Adiyan back. Shayya, sorry, Shayya, bed. Upadhanam, pillow. Next, Ghati Yantram, clock. Ganika, Ganika means counter, calculator. Okay, here it is calculator. Ganana means counting. Ganika, one who is counting. Okay, calculating. Sanganakam, computer. Chullika, Chullika means stove. Chulla, Chullika. Chulla in Hindi, Chullika in Sanskrit. Sanganakam, Chullika. Durabhasha, telephone. Shalakam. Shalakam means washing machine. Shalakam. Shalayati. Shalayati means washing. We have seen that in actions. Shalayati means washing. Shalakam, which is washing itself. The machine is washing. So it's called Shalakam. Vatayanam. Vatayanam means window. Kavata means door. Okay. Vatayanam, window. Kavata means door. Pushpadhani. Pushpadhani means flower vase. Okay. Sopanam. Sopanam means steps, staircase. This sopan. Okay. We'll go to the next one. Items over. Now new lesson for you. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 slides are new today. Okay. So you will learn. You will have activities. Okay. Yeah. So watch carefully. Pushpani flowers. Patalam. Wow, beautiful. Rose. I hope you all love rose. Mallika. What is Mallika? Yeah. Mallika in Tamil. Jasmine. Very highly fragrance. Okay. Patalam. Mallika. Next. Ashoka Pushpam. This is what to say, that bunch flower. We say in Tamil it is Vrikshi. Vrikshi Pushpam we say in Tamil. Then Kumudam. What is Kumudam? Lily flower. What is Kumudam? Lily flower. Ashoka Pushpam. That is bunch flower. That is, or Vrikshipu. Vrikshipu in Tamil. Kumudam is lily. So colorful, really. Padmam, Kamalam. Padmam, Kamalam. Lotus. Okay, lotus is white also there. White is called Pundarikam. White rose, white lotus is called Pundarikam. It's not Kamalam. This is Kamalam. Okay. White is there. This one is. And the white one is called Pundarika. Okay. Perumal is called Pundarikakshan, Pundarikakshan. Okay, his eyes are like white lotus. Okay, so that he is called, Perumal is called, Sriman Narayana is called Pundarikaksha. Pundarika, Aksha, Pundarikaksha. Okay. Then, Nilotpalam. What is Nilotpalam? Blue lotus. Actually, it is not lotus. It is a small flower. Actually, it's very rare. Very rare. I have seen this approximately 25 years before. I have seen this in one of the Pushpayagam. There's a function called Pushpayagam. They offered almost tons of flowers to Venkatachalamurthy temple in Pondicherry. He was doing service there in the temple. They brought lot of lotus and all flowers. Senbaga Malligayodu. If you know this Alvar slokam, Alvar Tamil part, Tamil Prabandham, Senbaga Malligayodu, Sengavanir Iruvachi, Enbagar Poom Murande. Like this, Alvar has sung 9 flowers. They brought all 9 flowers. Even Nilotpalam, they got only 7 flowers. They brought 1 lorry full of flowers. But they got only 7 Nilotpalam flowers. They could not get. It's very rare. So Nilotpalam. But the picture doesn't show Nilotpalam. I know that this is looking like lily only. But just to symbolic it is given. So Padmam or Kamalam. They are lotus. What is Pundarikam? White lotus. Okay. Nilotpalam, blue lily or blue lotus we can say. Next, Pundarikam. Yeah, it's given here. Pundarikam. Pundarikam means white lotus. Champakam. So fragrance. So fragrance. If you have the experience, when you walked in Tirumala hills after or before darshanam, if you walk through the streets of some of the area, you can smell this beautifully there. A lot of champa trees are there in Tirumala. You can have this experience. Then Pundarikam, white lotus, Champakam. Okay, I don't know what it is in English. Champa flower, that's all. Then Bahula Pushpam, beautiful. You know the smell during the summer season? Wow, amazing. So attractive. The small pushpam, you can see the small pushpam inside, it is kept around also. You know this? Arwar. When you say Vakula Pushpam, we should, I remember the Arwar, Nammarwar. Nammarwar is called Vakula Abharanan. Vakula Abharanan. No, he is wearing this garland. So he is called Vakula Abharanan. Vakula Bhushanan or Vakula Abharanan. They used to say this Arwar. It is famous, in our Sampradaya. Suryakanti. What is Suryakanti? Sunflower. Vakula Pushpam. Vakula Pushpam. It's a tree is very big. The fruits will be very small and yellowish. And yellowish. It is the flower automatically will fall in the night. And what people used to do, they used to offer this to Perumal, and using the small needle, and we cannot tie this, but there will be a hole in the center. It is naturally made. That hole is naturally made. So with the needle, we can make it in fast. We can make a garland like this. We can tie this, and it is offered to Perumal. Okay. And fragrance, even if it is drying, the fragrance is increasing. The level of fragrance is increasing. That is the attraction of this flower. This flower is used to make the scent. Olden days they used to make scent, attar, like this body. Nowadays body spray, everything body spray. Olden days, they used to have very thick kind of, and they will use it to apply on the body. Gulf region. I was in Gulf region. It's very popular there. Okay. Jasmine and this both are very popular. And Suryakanti, this is very beautiful. Even I have grown in my house. Very attractive, beautiful flower. Very big it is. More than our hand, bigger than our hand. Even I have seen this beauty. It will turn from east to west. I have seen this beauty. Then let us go on to the next. Nagapushpam. Nagapushpam. What is Nagapushpam? This is normally offered to Shiva, Lord Shiva. This is called Nagalingapu. In Tamil it is called Nagalinga Pushpam. It's also highly fragrant. Then Japa Kusumam. What is Japa Kusumam? Hibiscus. Japa Kusuma Sankasham Kashyapeyam Mahadvidyam Tamorim Sarvapapagnam Pranatos Divakaram. This is Surya Devas, the prayer is starting with Japa Kusuma Sankasam. He is like the Japa Kusuma. His color is like equal to hibiscus. His color is equal to hibiscus. Japa Kusuma Sankasam, like this. So hibiscus is one of the favorite flower in our one, but normally we don't use it for offering to Perumal. Nagalinga Pushpam. This is called Nagalinga Pushpam in Tamil. Normally it is called Naga Pushpam. It's also a very beautiful one. Next. Parijatam. You might have seen this. It's also very small. It normally this is the season now. Now the season. Parijatam. It's a very beautiful one. I don't know what is its equivalent word in English. Vritta Pushpam. This is called Vritta Pushpam. Vritta Pushpam is, I think, Samandipu in Tamil. It's called Samandipu. Vritta Pushpam. Parijatam, Vritta Pushpam. That's all. Over. Now, once again, I read all these things. After that, I want two volunteers to read this. Okay? Pushpani. Patalam. Mallika. Ashokam, Ashoka Pushpam. Kumudam. What is Kumudam? Lily flower. Padmam, Kamalam. Padmam, Kamalam. That is lotus. Nilotpalam, blue lotus. Pundarikam, white lotus. Champakam, champa. Okay, it's a flower. Then Vakula Pushpam. Vakula Pushpam is Vakula Pushpam only. I don't know what is in English. Suryakanti is a sunflower. Okay. Naga Pushpam. Japa Kusumam. Japa Kusumam has several colors. In my house, one of the tenants was there. She is very much fond of this hibiscus. She had 11 varieties of colors, different colors of 11. Even I don't know. I really wondered to see that now it is not there. 11 varieties of colors of hibiscus. Beautiful, so beautiful. When it grows, it looks very beautiful. So Nagapushpam, Japakusma, Parijatam, Vritta Pushpam. What is Vritta Pushpam? Samandipu. Samandipu. Then here Parijatam is, what is Parijatam? It's a Parijatam. Otherwise there is a Pavaramalli. They say in Tamil, it's called Pavaramalli. Okay, with this it's over. Who is going to read? 2 students. Ready? Given the names. Adiyan.
Dhriti, next Bhargava.
Dhriti start.
Sorry, Dhriti and Aditya.
Okay.
Jai Shri Sudarshana.
Jai Shri Sudarshana.
Patalam. Mallika. Ashoka Pushpam. Kumudam.
Padmam. No. One more is there. No, one more below Padmam. One more word.
Kandala konjam katta irukku the word.
Oh, is this so? And we'll go to next. Oh. Sorry, okay. Read.
Nilotpalam.
Okay.
Pundarikam. Champakam. Vakula Pushpam.
Very good. Surya. Kanti.
Surya Kanti.
I'll reduce this so you can you see now?
Yes, I can. Thank you.
Surya
Kanti.
Now.
Naga Pushpam. Japa Kusumam.
Very good.
Parijatam. Vritta Pushpam.
Very good. Next. Very good. Go on. Good. Good
Rashmi.
Next. Aditya.
Adiyan Aditya. Patalam. Mallika.
Adiyan, just 1 second. Adiyan, full vekkala Adiyan screen. Ena munnadi irundha nalla irundhudu. So request to all students, neenga enna pananumna, you should double click on the screen. It's not that the screen is actually okay. The what's being shown on screen is okay. So just double click on your screen or just turn your phone or if you're on laptop, just double click on it.
Yeah. Landscape.
Please keep it on landscape. Adiyan.
Adiyan
Start.
Patalam. Mallika. Ashoka Pushpam. Kumudam. Padmam. Kamalam. Nilotpalam. Pundarikam. Champakam. Vakula Pushpam. Suryakanti. Naga Pushpam. Japa Kusumam. Parijatam Vrittapushpam.
Very good, very good, very good. Now we are moving to another one. Okay. Class over. Next is water animals. Water animals. Jala Jivaha. Water animals. Kuliraha. What is Kuliraha? Crab. Makaraha. Afraid of it. Crocodile. Kuliraha. Crab. Makaraha. Crocodile. Kurmaha or Kachapaha. We have seen already. Kurmaha or Kachapaha. Mandukaha. What is Mandukaha? Frog. Mandukaha is frog. Okay. Timingalaha. Timingalaha. Okay. Timingalaha. Okay. Next. Jashaha or Meenaha. Jashaha or Meenaha. Both are same. Okay. Next. Vadavaha. Vadavagni. They say Vadavagni. Okay. Vadavaha is, what is that? Horse, seahorse. Nakshatra Meenaha, starfish. Nakshatra Meenaha is starfish. Next. Oh, finished. Jala Jivaha. A very small one. Again I am reading. Kuliraha, Makaraha. Kurmaha, Mandukaha. Kurmaha, Mandukaha. Kurmaha is tortoise, Mandukaha is frog. Timingilaha. Jashaha, Meenaha. Both are same, fish. Vadavaha, Nakshatra Meenaha. Vadavaha is seahorse. Nakshatra Meenaha is starfish. With this it's over. Who is ready? I think only four. Only four. Yeah.
Again, Kshiraja can read, and then Prahlada brother.
Good, good. Small kids, fine. Yeah. Start. Who is going to start? Kshiraja? Start. Some audio problem.
I think Kshiraja, your line is not clear. Can you disconnect and reconnect back, because we can't hear you? Maybe again Prahlada Vardhan can
let him start. Let him start.
And let her join back again.
Yes.
Adiyan.
Sollupa.
Kuliraha, Makaraha.
Very good. Fast.
Kurmaha, Mandukaha.
Very good.
Timingilaha. Jashaha.
Very good.
Meenaha.
Very good.
Vadavaha.
Very good.
Nakshatra Meenaha.
Very good. Finished. That girl is ready? Kshiraja is ready?
Danyosmi.
Danyosmi. Kshiraja, start.
Adiyan, am I audible?
Yeah, audible now. Yeah.
Kuliraha.
Kulira.
Kuliraha. Makaraha. Kurmaha. Mandukaha. Timingilaha. Jashaha. Meenaha. Vadavaha. Nakshatra Meenaha.
That's finished. Very good.
Danyas Median.
Very good. Now we will start. Oh, good. Professions. Let us see what are the professions are there. professionals or professions. Okay. Adhyapakah. Both are important. Teacher and doctor. Teacher. Adhyapakah, a teacher. Vaidya, a doctor. Long. 18 slides are there. 17 slides. Dhatri. Dhatri is nurse. Nyayadhisha. Nyayadhisha is judge. Vaigyanikah. Vaigyanikah, scientist. Chalakah, driver. Anything. Let him drive aeroplane or car, anything. Okay? Chalakah. So that will come Kara Chalakah, bus Chalakah, tractor Chalakah, Vimana Chalakah. So it will train, rail Chalakah. Okay. Next. Vanik. See how it is ending? Vanik. Vanik, Vanijo, Vanija. It goes like that. Okay? Krishakaha, farmer. Again, Vanik, Krishakaha. Vyadhaha. Vyadhaha. What is Vyadhaha? Hunter. Okay. Hastipakaha. Hastipaka is famous in Kerala. Hastipakaha. Mahut. It is elephant trainer. Patra Vahakaha. Patra Vahakaha. Vaimanikaha. Vaimanikaha. Pilot. Patra Vahakaha. A postman. Letter carrier. Okay, one who carries the letter. Kridakaha. Player. It can be any kind of play. It can be cricket, hockey, football, badminton, or rugby, anything. Kridaka, player, any kind of game, player. Arakshakaha, police. Arakshakaha, police. Kshalakaha, cleaner. Shalakaha, cleaner. Nartaki, Nartaki, dancer. Nartaki, dancer. Kshalakaha, cleaner. Nartaki, dancer. Vainaha, oh, Vainaha. What is Vainaha? This one. What is a weaver? Weaver. He is weaving. Malakaraha. Garlander. One who makes the garlander, or gardener. Malakaraha we can say as gardener as well as one who makes the mala. Both. Okay. Malakaraha means two meaning. One is gardener as well as one who makes the mala. What is here? Vainaha. Vainaha means one who weaving. Okay. One who is weaving. Gayakaha. Singer. Sainikaha, soldier. Gayakaha, Sainikaha. Gayakaha, singer. Sainikaha is soldier. Bharavahakaha. Bharavahakaha is a porter. Porter is called Bharavahakaha. Bhikshukaha, beggar. Bhikshukaha, beggar. Bharavahakaha, one who is, that is laborer. Porter. We say porter. Bhikshukaha. Bhikshuka means beggar. Sauchikaha or Suchikaha. Sauchikaha. Sauchika means tailor. Sauchikaha, tailor. Tantuvayaha. See. Tantuvayaha. This is also weaver. But there are two separate. Vainaha means one who makes with the bamboos. He is Tantuvayaha. Tantuvayaha means he is the real weaver weaving the cloth. It's called Tantuvayaha. Then again Sauchikaha. Sauchika, one who is stitching. Okay, tailor. Tantuvayaha, one who is weaving the dress, cloths. Okay. See the difference in the work. Lepakaraha. Lepakaraha means what? Mason. Mason is called Lepakaraha. Takshakaha, carpenter. Carpenter is called Takshakaha. Lepakaraha is, what is Lepakaraha? Mason. Takshakaha, carpenter. Shilpi. Shilpi, Shilpino, Shilpinaha. Shilpi is what? Sculptor. Sculptor. Sculptor is called Shilpi. Rajakaha. What is Rajakaha? Rajakaha is washerman. Shilpi, Rajakaha. Then Suvarnakaraha, goldsmith. Suvarnakaraha, goldsmith. Chitrakaraha. Karaha means karoti, one who is doing. Chitrakaraha, artist. Okay, Swarnakarah, one who makes the items with gold. Chitrakarah, one who makes the photos, picture. Okay. Next, Dhivaraha. Oh, Dhivaraha means fisherman. Kulalaha. Kulalaha means potter. Kulalaha, potter. Dhivaraha, fisherman. Oh, finished. So, you got 36 names, huh? No, 34 names. Let us go to the front. I'll show you everything. Karmacharinaha, professionals. Adhyapakaha, Vaidyaha. Dhatri, Nyayadhishaha. Vaijnanikaha, Chalakaha. Vanik, Krishakaha. Vyadhaha, Hastipakaha. Vyadaha, Hastipakaha. Patravahakaha, Vaimanikaha. Patravahakaha, Vaimanikaha. Kridakaha, Kridakaha. Arakshakaha, Arakshakaha. Kshalakaha, Kshalakaha. Nartaki. Then what is male? Nartakaha. Okay. Nartakaha is male, Nartaki is female. Vainaha. What is Vainaha? Vaina means weaver. What kind of weaver? Bamboo weaver. Okay. Basket weaver. Malakaraha. Garlander or gardener. Gayakaha. Singer. Sainikaha. Soldier. Bharavahakaha. Bharavahakaha means one who is carrying the load. That is laborer or porter. Bhikshukaha. Bhikshukaha is beggar. Sauchikaha. Sauchi. Suchi means suchika. Suchi means the needle. One who is using the needle and stitching. Okay. That is called tailor. Next, Tantuvayaha. Tantuvayaha means, what is Tantuvayaha? Weaver. Lepakaraha. Lepa means, pasting. Okay, lepakaram. Lepakaryam. Lepakaryam means pasting. So he is pasting with the cement. So he is called mason. Takshakaha. Takshaka means carpenter. Lepakaraha, takshakaha. Shilpi. Shilpi. What is Shilpi? Shilpi is sculptor. Rajakaha. Washerman. Washerman. Suvarnakaraha. Goldsmith.
Suvarnakarnaha.
Goldsmith. Wait. Unmute. Mute yourself. Suvarnakaraha. Goldsmith. Chitrakaraha. Artist. Chitrakaraha. One who is make the chitram. One who is making the art. Okay. Then Dhivaraha. Dhivaraha. Dhivaraha is fisherman. Kulalaha. Kulalaha is potter with this over. Okay. Let's go to the first 2 volunteers. We can give 4 or 2, Swami?
Again, நிறைய slide இருக்கு. So maybe half படிக்கலாம்.
4. Yeah. 4. We'll make it 4.
சரி. So Anantasri
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So மொத்தம் 16 இருக்குது. So 8 முதல் 8 ரெண்டு பேரு, அடுத்த 8 2 பேரு.
Okay. So Anantasri and Akshara, you can read first 8 and then Akshara can read the next 8.
Yeah.
And then followed by that Vasudha and Dinata. Just one small thing, some students have asked that they would like to read. Whoever wants to read, please send me a message or put it on your thing with the registration number. If you are unregistered, we will try to accommodate you at the end of the class. When registered kids ellaam padicha apparama, if there is still time, we will accommodate you. So we hope you understand. We seek your understanding. If you are already registered, please log in with your registration number. Anantasri and Akshara, you can read.
Adiyan Akshapakaha Vaidyaha. Dhatri Nyayadhishaha. Vaijnanikaha Chalakaha. Ranik Krishakaha. Yadaha Hastipakaha. पात्रवाहकः वैमानिकः
This is last for you.
क्रीडकः आरक्षकः
Very good, very good, very good. Who is another one?
Her sister.
Ah, yeah.
Akshara.
Akshara.
अध्यापकः दात्री न्यायाधीशः
Very good.
वैज्ञानिकः चालकः
Very good.
वणिक् कृषिकः
कृषकः.
व्याधः दीपकः वैमानिकः पत्रवाहकः
Very good. One more.
क्रीडकः आरक्षः
आरक्षकः. Okay. Very good, very good. Next. Where are you? Next year. Very good, very good. So cute.
Adiyan அடுத்தது வசுதா. Then Vinata.
Vasuda first. Nartaki. Next. Somebody shouting. Malakarah. Next. भारवाहकः. भिक्षुकः. शौचिकः. कारः. लेपकारः. तक्षकः. Shilpi. Very good. Rajakah. Very good. One more. Read. Hello.
रजकः
रजकः ओवर नेक्स्ट सुवर्णकारः चित्रकार वेरी गुड Kulalah finished. Very good, good attempt. Try more. Okay. Next, who is another one? I think we can permit one more also, Swami. இந்த பொண்ணுக்கு அப்புறம் இன்னொரு ஸ்டூடண்ட் கூட படிக்கிற கொஞ்சம் நன்னா படிக்கிற குழந்தை இருக்கு
வினதா அடியன்
வினதா படிக்கட்டும்
शालकः नर्तकी
वेरी गुड
वैनः मालाकारः
वेरी गुड
गायकः सैनिकः भारवाहकः भारवाहकः भिक्षुकः सौचिकः तन्तुवायः लेपकारः तक्षकः शिल्पी रजकः सुवर्णकारः चित्रकारः
वेरी गुड
धीवरः कुलालः
वेरी गुड
अडियन धन्यास्मि
இன்னொருத்தர் படிக்கட்டுமா
ஆடியன் இன்னொருத்தர் படிக்கலாம் ஆடியன் லாஸ்ட் ஸ்ரீனிகா
जी श्री सुदर्शना
सुदर्शना
अडियन श्रीनिका படிக்கிறேன்
படிமா
शालकः नर्तकी वैनः मालाकारः गायकः सैनिकः भारवाहकः
भिक्षुकः
சௌச்சः
அவ படிக்கிட்டா அவ எழுத்துக்குட்டி அவ படிக்கிட்டா சௌச்சிகः
தக்ஷணः
இல்ல சரியா படி கரெக்டா படி பாப்போம் तन्तुवायः वेरी गुड नेक्स्ट
लेपाकारः
तक्षकः शिल्पी
रजकः तुलरः
No.
सुवर्णकारः चित्रकर्षः
कारः
चित्रकारः धीवरः कुलालः
Very good, very good. Swami, இன்னும் ஒரே ஒரு ஸ்லைட் காமிச்சலாமா இன்னைக்கு? டைம் இருக்கா?
அடியன்
10 minutes ஆகும்.
அடியன் பண்ணலாம்
இல்லையா?
தன்யாஸ்மி
தன்யாஸ்மிமா ரொம்ப அழகா படிச்சேன். என்ன படிய நிறைய பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணேன். வெரி குட். Next is sharirasya angani, parts of body. Body parts. Mastakam. What is mastakam? Head. Lalatam. What is lalatam? Forehead. Yeah, mastakam, head. Lalatam, forehead. Nasika. Oh, such a big nose. Nasika, nose. Don't be afraid. Bru. Bru means eyebrow, not eye. Okay? Eyebrow. See the arrow mark. Eyebrow is called bru. A bru bhangar. Kusumanadasho kinkaro meru dhanva. Stotra is coming. Nasika. Nasika means nose. Bru. Next. Karnaha. Ear. Kapolaha. Cheek. Sorry. Yeah, cheek. Both the cheek. Cheek is called Kapolaha. Karnaha. Ear. Dantaha. Teeth. Dantaha. Teeth. Adharam. Actually, we say simply lips. In Tamil also Udadu we say. But whereas in Sanskrit, bottom and top has separate name. Okay. Oshta Udaram. Sorry. Adharam. Adharam means lower lips. Lower lips are called Adharam. Okay. Next. Dantaha. Adharam. Lips. Dantaha. Teeth. Netram. Netram. Eye. Netra means eye. Keshaha. Hair. Keshaha. No? Rishi Keshaha. That is different. Rishika plus Ishaha. That is different. Netram. Eye. Keshaha. Hair. Okay. The small or big. Vadanam. Mukham. Both are face. Okay. Vadanam. Mukham. Both are face. Including eye, nose, mouth, everything. Chin, cheek, eyebrow, everything. Face. Even including the forehead. Okay. Jihva. Jihva. Jihva means tongue. Chibukam. Chin. Now it is chin. Chibukam. Chin. Okay. Chin. Kantaha. Neck. Kantaha. Neck. Neelakantaha. No? Shiva is called Neelakantaha. Kanta means neck. Nabhihi. Nabhihi. Navel. Okay. Nabhihi is navel. Skandaha. Shoulder. Skandaha is shoulder. Okay. Nabhihi. Navel. Skandaha. Shoulder. Anguli. Finger. Anguli. Fingers. Nakaha. Nakaha means nail. Not fingers. Okay. Nakaha. Nail. How beautiful. See. Nakaha. Nail. Anguli means finger. Then Udaram. Stomach. Stomach is called Udaram. Panihi. Hand. Panihi. Hand. Panihi. Hand. Udaram. Stomach. Vakshastalam. Chest. Vakshastalam. Chest. Vakshastalam. Chest. Hastaha. Hand. Hastaha. Hand. Udaram. Stomach. Panihi. Panihi. Hand. This is palm, not hand. Panihi. Palm. Vakshastalam. Chest. Hastaha. Hand. In one photo, 3 are there. Uruhu. Thigh. Uruhu. Thigh. Janu means knee. Okay. Knee is called Janu. Padaha. Foot. Padaha, foot. Uruhu, thigh. Janu is knee. Padaha, foot. That's all. Finished. Okay. I think we have 13 slides. 12 slides. We have 12 slides. If you want only by 2, no problem, Swami. Otherwise 4. One time, let me read. All of you watch. Mastakam, lalatam. Mastakam, lalatam. Nasika, bhruhu. Nasika, bhruhu. Karnaha, kapolaha. Karnaha, kapolaha. Dantaha, adharam. Dantaha, adharam. Netram, keshaha. Netram, eye. Keshaha, hair. Vadanam, mukham, face. Vadanam or mukham, face. Jihva, tongue. Jihva is tongue. Chibukam, kantaha. Chibukam is chin. Okay. Kantaha, neck. Nabhihi, navel. Nabhihi is navel. Okay. Skandaha, Padmanabha. No, it's called Padmanabha. Nabhi, one who has Nabhi, Padmam, Nabho Yasasaha. One who has lotus in its navel. It's called Padmanabha. Ananta Padmanabha Swami say, no? Ananta Padmanabha. Skandaha, shoulder. Skandaha is shoulder. Anguli, finger. Anguli, finger. Nakaha. Okay. Nakaha is what is that? Nail. Udaram, stomach. Panihi, palm. Vakshastalam, chest. Then, if you see that, that shloka I'll teach you tomorrow. Kasturi tilagam, lalata palake, vakshastale kaustubam. That parts of body is coming. Perumalude parts are there. Hastaha, hand. Uruhu, Janu, Padaha. Uruhu, Januhu, Padaha. Okay, these are all parts of body. Okay, let's go from the beginning. What is beginning? Mastakam. Yeah. Any volunteers? 12 slides are there.
எவ்வளவு பேர் படிக்கலாம் அடியன்?
படிக்கலாம் 4 பேர் படிக்கலாம் 12 இருக்குது 6 + 6.
Okay. So Samakya you can read, followed by that Shraddha, Shravan, and Arjun, if you can see the screen you can read. If Arjun cannot read, then sorry, Archit can read.
Yeah.
So Samakya you can read now.
Adiyan Jaya Shri Sudarshana. Mastakam. Lalatam. Nasika. Bhruhu.
Bhruhu.
Bhruhu. Karnaha. Kapolaha.
Very good.
Dantaha. Adhasam.
Adharam.
Adharam. Netram. Keshaha. Vadanam. Mukham. Jihva.
Very good, very good, very good. Next, who is going to read?
Ariyan. Ariyan. கேக்குதா?
அண்ணா கேக்குது. பேர் சொல்லு.
ஸ்ரத்தா.
ஸ்ரத்தா, படி.
லலாட்டம். நாசிகா. ப்ரூஹு.
Very good.
கர்ணஹ. கபோலஹ. दन्तः. अधरम्. नेत्रं. केशः. वदनं. मुखं. जिह्वा.
Very good. Yeah, over. Yeah. Okay, next who is there? Who is ready? Shravan. Start Shravan.
Chibukam. कंठम
No, kantha.
कंठः
Okay, no, wait. It is kantaha or kantham. What is the difference? What is the difference? If it is kantham, you don't know?
Repeat that.
Chibukam kantaha. What's the difference in this? It's an open question. Anybody can tell. Chibukam kantaha. What's the difference?
ஸ்ரத்தா சொல்லாமா? ஸ்ரத்தா சொல்லாமா? சிபுகம் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து சின், அப்புறம் வந்து கண்டஹ வந்து அதுக்குள்ள இருக்கிறது நெக்.
நான் மீனிங் கேட்கல. ஜெண்டர் க்ளூ சொல்லிடுறேன். ஜெண்டர் சிபுகம் என்ன ஜெண்டர், கண்டஹ என்ன ஜெண்டர்?
சிபுகம் வந்து நபும்சகலிங்கஹ.
வெரி குட்.
கண்டஹ வந்து புல்லிங்கஹ.
Why it is புல்லிங்கஹ?
அப்படிங்கிற இதுல முடியற மாதிரி இருந்தா புல்லிங்கஹ. ஆனா அதுல கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸெப்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கும்.
வெரி குட். aha. So aha ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோ. வெரி குட், ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். ஷ்ரவன் கண்டினியூ பண்ணுமா?
நாபிஹி கண்டஹ.
வெரி குட்.
அங்குலி நகஹ.
இது ரெண்டும் என்ன ஜெண்டர்? ஷ்ரவன் சொல்ல முடியுமா? இது ரெண்டும் என்ன ஜெண்டர் சொல்ல முடியுமா? அங்குலி என்ன ஜெண்டர், நகஹ என்ன ஜெண்டர்?
அங்குலி ஸ்திரீலிங்,
வெரி குட்.
நகஹ புல்லிங்.
சொல்லி தரக்கூடாது. வெரி குட். நான் எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் கேட்கறது. வெரி குட். அடுத்தது நெக்ஸ்ட் கண்டினியூ.
உதரம்
பாணிஹி. This is which gender?
உதரம் நபும்சகலிங்கஹ.
பாணிஹி
புல்லிங்கஹ.
வெரி குட். இஹி, ஆஹா, இஹி, உஹு, இது மூணும் புல்லிங்க. கரெக்டா? வந்து நபும்சகலிங்க. வெரி குட். நெக்ஸ்ட்.
வக்ஷஸ்தலம் ஹஸ்தஹ.
வெரி குட்.
ஊருஹு ஜானு பாதஹ.
Very good. Who is next? Who is next? Who is going to read second one?
Arjun or Archit, are you available to read? If not, anyone else who wants to volunteer?
Somebody else other than who read, other than those who got the chance, other than
Sudarshan 129.
Sudarshan solriya? Read Sudarshan. Read.
Tribukam Kanthah Nabhihi Skandhah.
Very good.
Anguli Udaram Panihi Vakshasthalam Hastah Uruhu Janu Padah.
Very good. So good. With this it's over. All reading over. We are going to see some more words in the next classes. Okay, that is alphabetical order. A for apple, like that we are going to see some words from tomorrow. Maybe 1 or 2 classes it will go. Afterwards we'll go for again we'll whatever we have read, that is previous 2 lessons we will go through, then we'll go further. Okay, thank you. So முடிச்சிக்கலாமா? வேற எதனா question answer session இருக்கா?
அடியன் தேருக்கு டைம் இருக்கா?
இல்ல டைம் இல்ல.
சரி, அப்படியே நாளைக்கு வெச்சுக்கலாம் क्वेश्चन ஆன்சர் பண்ணலாம்.
நாளைக்கு வெச்சுக்கலாம். ஓகே
அடியன்
முடிச்சிக்கலாம். सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्, सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु सर्वकामानवाप्नोतु सर्वत्र नन्दतु ओम शांति शांति शांति।